Today, we're going to turn this into this. Yes, baby. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. We having some Hamburger Helper pizza today, bitches.
I'd probably take her. YK, that's all gold. Big rings, that's all gold.
Man, I'm done playing with these niggas, man, for real.
YK, that's all gold. Big rings, that's all gold.
I swear I gotta get to the fad. Shit.
Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Ratchef 5 Cents.
What?
Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Ratchet 5 Cents. Yeah, you heard me right. It's called Ratchet Meals for a reason, boo. We making a ratchet ass meal tonight. And I know you're probably wondering about my little cat in the hat get up over there. Well, y'all know my braids are long, so I'm just trying to keep them out the way, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna wash my hands over here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so hands are washed. And if you're going to be following along with this little ratchet ass meal, y'all know ratchet meals are good. Anyway, if you're going to be following along with this one, you're going to need some Hamburger Helper of your choice. Yes, it's generic, okay? Generic works. We love generic. Some pizza crust. This happens to be bubbly, but you can use whatever kind you want. You can even make it yourself. I ain't giving no tutorial on that. No, I'm not a real chef. But you're going to need some ground beef or whatever your Hamburger Helper calls for. Now, I personally do not have bakeware. I don't. But what I do have is this here flat pan and some Reynolds wrap. And as always, I'm making do what it do, baby. Okay? Let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is make your Hamburger Helper. I'm going to speed that part up because if you don't know how to make Hamburger Helper, baby, bless your heart. Okay, so now we got some pots, oil, and like I said, I'm going to speed this part up because anyway. What I forgot to tell y'all is the Cody Jack, or you know, any cheese that you prefer, but you know, that's what I got. Did y'all ever wonder what the holes in the handle of the pots and pans was for? Let me tell you something. These non-stick pans are lovely, but sweetie, sometimes stuff gets a little slippery, so you know, some little extra utilities. It's alright, it's alright. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. Now I know y'all are thinking, that little bitty pan ain't gonna be big enough for your Hamburger Helper, but just like I don't have bakeware, I don't have a colander. So I'm going to show you what I'm finna do. Okay? Have no fear. I know what I'm doing. Now y'all might be thinking, what do this bitch think she doing? She don't have no bakeware. She don't have no colander, but she up here trying to make a cooking video. Let me tell you something, boo. That's why it's called Ratchet Meals. Okay? I'm going to teach you how to make it do what it do when you ain't got what you need. See how this slotted spoon coming in handy? We gonna put that right up. It takes longer, but if you don't have a colander, then baby, you got to do something, right? Turn that off. Turn this back one on here. And we finished making our hamburger helper. Ta-da, bitch. My oven is clean. My stove is clean, baby. We ain't wasting shit up in here. Alright, now I know that your Hamburger Helper might tell you to use water, and that's fine if you do, but when it's supposed to be cheesy or creamy or something like that, I don't like to use water. So supposed to mix the water and the milk, but I'm not doing it. I want it to be nice and creamy and cheesy, and I'm gonna use milk. Fuck the water. I drink enough water on my own, and I don't measure shit. Now, if you ever think you cannot cook, I want you to remember one thing. Do you see me following any rules? Okay? Forget what you think you need to know and do what feels right for you. That's how you learn how to cook, baby. Alright, we're gonna check it. What it look like. Let's see. Well, to me, it looks like it could still stay in there for a little bit. So, let's see. Ooh, look at that right there. Yeah, let that brown. And we gonna be alright. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Look, ain't she cute? Little red microwave and stuff. Ain't she cute? She's so cute. Anyway, we finna check this pizza again. And don't mind my pizza. I mean, my cake. I like sweet stuff. She looking good. You're looking good, baby. Anyway, we gonna let her brown a little more. Alright, we finna check this again. See what's going on. Oh, do you hear that sizzle, baby? Yeah. Here we go. She done that. And we gonna leave that full in the oven until it cooled off, because popular to what you might think, full get hot. I'm just saying. So now we turn the oven off. Let that cool off a little bit. Okay, now keep in mind this is a non-stick pan, so I do not want to use a knife. So we gonna see what happens. Keep in mind this handle is still hot, so don't go to the hospital trying to cut some damn pizza. It seems like it's cutting pretty good, but we will find out if it actually sliced it on the bottom. Now mind you, it's liquidy, so the dough on the bottom, the pizza crust, shouldn't be too hard to cut anyway. Let me go get the plate. It looks like that didn't cut all the way. Again, be careful because the handles are still hot. You want to eat the pizza, not go to the hospital with 3rd-degree burns on our hands because he was being greedy. Yes, my plates are red too, damn it. I have a theme. I wonder if they ever made
something that you can easily cut stuff in a non-stick pan without messing it up. Like I said, this is gonna be a little messier than I thought, so I'm glad I did put it in this pot. And I'm getting all that cheese, all of it, every last bit. Okay, now, how does she taste? Let's see.
But with specific recent advancements in technology, could we be in for more of these types of sightings in the future?
Yeah.
Proliferation of drones, we have
That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. Right up. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now,
more cases like this where drones capture something.
on this channel, we gonna have some ratchet ass meals, but I guarantee they gonna be good, just like this here. And I'm gonna finish this entire plate. Now, when cooking, remember, fuck the rules. Do your own shit and make it do what it do, baby. That's just my 5 cents, and I'm out. Peace.